Apus Hotel in Nha Trang. It's got a sea view. Our balcony's to the side though. Still a nice view. Nice big window. Safe in there. Cupboards. Luggage holder. And standard coffee. And this is breakfast. Three fruits, coffee and tea, juice. We've got the really nice salads here. Oh, noodles, potato bake, soup, stew. The stew's really good. And that looks good too. You got your toasts. And you got your personal chef here. So you got noodles, noodle soup, omelettes, eggs, whatever you want. All different sauces. Pretty big dining room too, and balcony ones as well. And swaps daily, so it's really good. This is the breakfast area. We found that the juices aren't great, considering the amount of juice bars are on the street, and they have lots of fruit here. The fruits, they got bananas today. That's unusual. We've been here 7 days. I've never really had bananas much. The salads here are really nice though. They're really good. Every morning there's lots of salads. It's a pretty good breakfast apart from the juice, and I think sometimes the fruit variety isn't there, and there is no cereal here at all. So if you just want a light breakfast, it's a bit hard. But apart from that, it's pretty good. Just wanted to show you guys this bathroom. You've got all that gap there, so the water just runs on the floor. And then you've got a shower head which doesn't swivel, so you've got to hold it, or you're trying to shampoo your hair or wash yourself, which is not practical at all.